Hello class, you're welcome to Wanies Academy. In our mathematics class today, we're looking at rounding decimals. And the aim of the lesson is to understand the steps in rounding decimals. The objective of the lesson is that you will know the steps in rounding decimals at the end of this lesson. Rounding numbers to decimal places is shortening a decimal number to a given degree of accuracy. To do this, we find the decimal place we wish to round to and look at the digit to the right of that number. If the number after the chosen accuracy is 5 or more than 5, we round up. And if it is less than 5, we round down. So we're going to demonstrate this in the 3 examples that we're looking at in this topic. Example 1. We're asked to round 27.6273. We're asked to round this to 2 decimal places. And how are we going to do this? First, identify the digits that is 2 places after the decimal point. Now look at the decimal point. You have 6 and 2. These are the 2 digits that is after the decimal point. So after that, we're going to put a bar just in front of 2. Then the number to the right of it is the decider. Now if you look at this 7, 7 is more than 5. So meaning that what? We're going to round up. Then how we're going to round up? We're going to add 1 to this 2. We're going to add 1 to this 2. Then we're going to have our answer now to be 27.63 to 2 decimal place. So rounding 27.6273 to 2 decimal place, we're going to have it to be 27.63. So go to example 2. Here we are asked to round 342.631. We're asked to round this to 1 decimal place. Just like the same thing that we did in example 1, we have to identify the digit that is 1 place after the decimal point, and that is 6. So we just put a bar just in front of the 6. Then look at the number that is just after the bar, which is 3. Now 3 is less than 5. So meaning that what? We are rounding down. We are going to round it down. So we're going to have our answer now to be 342.6. So rounding 342.631 to 1 decimal place, we're going to have it to be 342.6. So look at the last example in this topic. We're asked to round 45.3695. We're asked to round this to 3 decimal places. So what are we going to do first here? First, identify the digits that is 3 places after the decimal point. Then if you look at this, we have 36369 to be the 3 numbers that are after the decimal point. So we're going to put a bar just in front of 9 here. Then the number that is just after the bar is 5. And if you look at 5, it means that what? We are rounding up. Now we're going to round up, we have to add 1 to this 9 plus 1. So we're going to have our answer now to be 45 points. Now, it's just like adding 69 plus 1, which we're going to have it to be 70. So we're going to have it to be 45.370. Now, you have to make sure that you add or you include the 0 there, because the question said that we should round 45.3695 to 3 decimal places. So meaning that you have to have 3 numbers after the decimal point. So our answer now will be 45.370. So that will be all for today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe now. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye.